Hey, what is up you guys? We're going to be doing the cheapest challenge from ForTraders.com, and that is the 5K challenge, and we're going to customize it. So there we go. The cheapest version is 31 bucks. And if that code is not active anymore, you can always use the discount code Marcus for 10% off as well. So that is always available, guys. If you're watching this later and the discount is not available, you can still get it for 33 bucks. I'm going to be speed running this challenge, so I'm going to try to achieve it as fast as possible. So here we go. I decided to start off with small gold lot positions, so 0.05 lots on gold positions. But once I build up a little bit more of the daily drawdown, because our daily drawdown is only 150 bucks, I decided to put in two big trades for Euro USD with a really tight stop loss, and to put in two one lot positions for Euro USD short. I basically want to achieve phase one, which is $500, which is 10% of the 5K account. And I want to do it in one day. Now gold is definitely moving in the right direction very quickly, which is really good. We're already 200 bucks in profit. Euro USD, I have really tight stop losses, but I did use quite high lot sizes for this 5K account. So we're going to put stop losses to entry just in case. So we're barely risking anything. We have super low lot sizes for gold, so no need to adjust the stop losses yet. So it is pushing through really nicely. We're more than 5% in profit, which is not a lot on a 5K account, obviously. Basically, we just need 200 bucks more right now to achieve first phase. And it really went quickly because you got to remember these are 5-minute candles. So there's only two 5-minute candles on Euro USD and a couple on gold. It did take a little bit longer and it is still lacking behind for sure, but gold was super bullish today. That's why I also put the Euro USD trade in, because it was perfectly in this zone where it corrected from many times. So I kind of knew, put a tight stop loss. I saw a bearish pattern and I just went for it. All right, guys, pretty much 150 to go, 350 in profit. So we're super close. I do see a potential reversal here. Might shoot up and then go back down again. So we might take profit if this candle passes through here. We might have to take profit. Let's see what gold is doing as well. So as soon as this surpasses that candle, I might have to take profit, but we're just gonna take 300 profit for now. I think it will reverse and we're gonna re-enter in a little bit. And actually right now I do see some confirmation for a buy. This is just basic price action, guys. When you see this type of stuff coming up, reversing, creating a higher high, it's usually gonna shoot up, go somewhere around here, go back down, but maybe could be a complete reversal. I do see something else in the charts as well, but we're gonna risk 88 bucks for this trade, and I'm gonna try to get out 150 bucks right there. I do have a little bit of other confirmation for this trade as well. We're approaching 89 EMA on 5-minute time frame on DXY, which is inversely correlated with Euro USD, and we see the same thing happening with Euro USD. It's just bounced off the 89 EMA. It's a very high likelihood that it's entering back into our zone. And by the way, our zone is really good. On the 5-minute, you really see it clearly that, you know, it's bounced off many times off this zone. And we're also for a pretty long time in this pattern as well. But it looks like our trade is going into profit. So let's see. We're only about 20 bucks in profit right now, but it could do a lot. All right, guys, it's definitely going into our direction. So we're gonna put stop loss at break even, and let's see if our take profit gets hit. Otherwise, I'll take profit around 100 bucks. Got super close to our stop loss, but it's really off now. 100 bucks in profit. So I actually raised the take profit. So if we reach that, we have achieved first phase, but I might have to take profit. If I see it reversing earlier, we have to take profit earlier, but it definitely can go to that area. We're 108 bucks in profit with no risk basically, because we have stop loss at entry. And I'm looking at DXY, seeing what it's doing. Looks like a strong move down. It did not pass the 89 EMA, and especially with Euro USD. All right, guys, now is really the moment. If it doesn't break through this now, it's not gonna make it, but it does look pretty good to me. And otherwise it's gonna reverse, guys, and we're gonna have to take profits. If it reaches 70 bucks, I'm taking profit, and otherwise I'll wait for it to pump through. Okay, 70. There we go. We're gonna put in a short straight away with a super tight stop loss, and we're gonna ride it out, guys. And guys, we're actually gonna short gold as well with 0.30 lots, and this might be a mistake, but we're gonna risk 80 bucks on that trade. This again is basically just simple price action. It didn't have the strength to push through. It created a lower high, and that's when I knew, like, okay, it's gonna reverse. Created another lower high. It just doesn't have the strength of the buys to push it through. So that's how I knew that it was going to reverse. Now gold is lagging behind a little bit because, you know, there was a lot of buying pressure today, just a lot of buying pressure. So I do think that it's still going down, but we may see something shocking with gold as well. You never know. All right, guys, looks like it was a fake out. It created a huge candle in the other direction, another fake out, and now I think it's truly going to go down. I put in a really small lot position here because I wanted to get some extra profit from that. If this is another fake out, it's fine. I actually raised these stop losses pretty high. We're actually going to risk our profit today just so we can achieve this challenge today, because I know that it's not going to make a higher high. So I put it on the previous high, and it really does look like it right now. We just need 20 bucks more. We have actually already achieved the challenge, but let's just let this ride out for a little bit more. All right, we're taking profit, guys. Why not? Why not? Oh, we're 10 cents short. Let's try to maybe get a little bounce somewhere. Oh man, I can't believe we're 10 cents short. Let's see if we can catch a little bounce for that 10 cents. I'll grab a little bounce somewhere, but we're pretty much almost done. All right, guys, I basically had to stack up some gold trades, but we have definitely 100% achieved it now. There we go, 512. That was a bit of a rough ending for that $2 that we had left. But let's look at the dashboard now. And here you guys see the 5K challenge dashboard. We made the profit target 500 bucks. We made 512 on day one, and we did it in a couple of hours. If we go to the trading journal, you guys will see that I basically started at 1800, and the last trade was closed on 1853. So we did it in about 1 hour. All right, so it is Monday. I had to do a little trade to get the minimum trading day for today. I still have to do one more day tomorrow to achieve the first phase. So I'll probably start trading again on Wednesday. And then guys, we can do the second phase, and I'll try to achieve that as fast as possible as well. If you want to check out ForTraders, check it out in the description below. You can still use the 15% off by using the code 2024, but you can always get 10% off with code Marcus. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.